Have you ever driven along the A55 in North Wales, glance up at the cliffs, and spot people scrambling high above you? Chances are you'll be looking at the Penmaen-bach Arete, one of the cutest and most eye-catching scrambles in the region. This little ridge stands proud above the road, tempting climbers and walkers alike with its sharp arete and sweeping views over the sea. It's short, fun, and surprisingly adventurous for something you've probably driven past dozens of times without knowing its name. Today we are heading up to explore this hidden gem of North Wales Scrambling. Stay with us and welcome to the adventurers. Doing today? Doing this? Do you know the name?
Volki Arete. Don't know.
There we go. It goes up there. It looks quite nice. Weather is coming, so this is a good alternative.
Yeah, big rain.
Yeah.
Hopefully.